Alright, welcome back guys. So I have to grease my truck up. The front tie rod that I just put in, I didn't video that, but what's it called? So the front tie rod that I put on the truck didn't come with no grease fittings. And I gotta find a little needle bit that goes into the end of this. But I'm gonna grab, let's see, what battery do I have? 1.5 or 1.7 power stack battery. That works. So I can go out to the garage. What the heck happened here? Oh, the paint. I forgot. But yeah. Gonna leave this grease gun right here for the second. So I can go out to the garage. Find my little needle thing for the grease gun. Find that. I gotta work on this trailer too. It's a big one. I gotta start welding and grinding and cutting. It's a little windy. Still cold though. There, shut this door. It's cold. I think that's an air. That's for air. I know that's not a grease one. I don't know. I will get back to you guys when I find it. Alright guys, just got back. Just got the grease gun fitting. W54213 if someone needs it. That goes into the socket itself. I don't know why I couldn't find it. I must have lost mine somewhere in the garage. So it cost me $4.99. And then 30 cents sale tax, so $5.29. So, not too shabby. But we're gonna get my gloves on, put this in the grease gun, and grease up the fittings. Put my hoodie over, it's cold still. This stuff's melting right now. Gotta lay down, take my phone out of the pocket so I don't ruin that. That would not be good. But yeah, as you can see, there's literally nothing. There we go, greasing it up. There we go. Oh, look, it's a hair too much, but it is what it is. Put some in this one. Oh, that's good enough. Put a little grease on the top of the thing, so when you do it next time, it won't be greasy. And I had to get a new shock, steering stabilizer shock. But for now, it's fine. I've already greased that one up earlier this year. Just swaddled that so it gets greasy instead of all dirt built up inside of it. I just gotta do the other side. This little $5 tool is worth it. Well, accessory. And I love this grease gun I got. Fuck you, city. Oh, my head. I hit my head. And there. And there it goes. It's expanding already. I know where I punctured it. I think we're running. I'll just add some in this anyways. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, that'll be good. There's nothing to grease these, but yeah, grease gun is out. But I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll catch back up when we start working on that trailer over there. Well, I had to take a break. I had to do some stuff, you know. This is what I have to work on. There's literally like no frame left to it. So yeah, put this down, So we're gonna have to grind here, here, some here, get some kind of metal. But yeah, here we go. That looks pretty good. That's pretty clean. So now about probably right here, and just gonna get all the grinding done I need to get done for now, and I'll work on this tomorrow. Yeah. Yep. Tape measure, yep. Pittsburgh for the win. And here we go, right here, cutting wheel. I don't know. I'll cut it. I'll prep the metal first. That side we are looking at 47.5. Okay, cool. So 47.5 we need. Let me take the, okay, that won't come off now. Yeah, I'll just bring the thing in because I don't feel like in and out, in and out, in and out 50 times working on this. So you can see how flimsy it is. There's literally nothing holding it. Alright guys, so got the welder ready. I just gotta get extension cord for it and we will start going at it. Okay guys, so I got the first piece welded in. Not pretty, but it's better than what it is, and at the bottom welded. And right now I'm working on getting the second part done for this side. Then I'm gonna work on this side here so I can get it just pulled over this way or straightened down, and I'll work on getting that done right there. So we'll catch up in a minute. Okay guys, got some more welding done. I got that side. It's not pretty, but it's way stronger than it was. I did right there. And I did on the bottom there on both sides. I gotta clean this up still. I haven't even done it. Just scapped the phone up, started recording. Good enough. That'll be way stronger because there ain't no support for anything. Like, yeah, I burnt through a Tic Tac there, but as you can see, literally nothing there. So this is acting as a structure, and I have a 2-inch plate I'll throw on top of that after I get this side going, because that needs it bad. You can see it's not even straight. We'll catch up in a minute. Alright guys, so that's part 1 of working on the trailer. We'll catch you guys up in the second episode, okay?